What's good, everyone? Now, is it stunningly rare for Tucson to get snow at all? Yeah. Is it even stranger for us to get it on March 1st? I got no words. We got snowfall last night. I got a little bit of it this morning. Went out to the mountains just west of Pima Community College's West Campus. Not only does this day mark the second time we've had snow in about 2 weeks, but it's also the first day that I got to shoot with the new iPhone 14 Pro. So why did I invest in the iPhone 14 Pro? Well, it's the megapixels. That sensor, that extended sensor, is 48 megapixels. To compare it, the early Sony A7s are about 24 megapixels. So you're looking at medium format camera type of quality with the iPhone 14 Pro. The first day out, you'll see the shots. It's ludicrous. And what's wild is for the price point. I mean, you can pay for the iPhone 14 Pro for like, $1,000 out of pocket. If I'm buying a Fuji, I'm spending $3,000 on just the body. But let's take a trip into the desert, see some snow, see some beauty, and check out this iPhone 14.